Okay, can we start with Joss? The things that you have learned, the realization, and the things that you will work out because of
The
the
things that yeah, the things I've learned is the needs I need to I need to meet and provide from a
mm,
partner, vice
mm,
versa, and the resources to get more information of meeting those needs from the
mm.
user. And I need to work on getting more 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 future planning development and being present. And I need to work on my prayer.
Okay, thank you. How about you, Celine?
First of all po, gusto ko po mag-thank you kasi sobrang dami po naming natutunan sa pre-Kana seminar po na ito. Um, First off po, yung pinaka-important po na natutunan ko is yung marriage po is a lifetime commitment and kailangan po namin magkaroon ng understanding and plan in the future. Also, we have to understand what is the present and the past po ng isa't isa para po maintindihan namin yung isa't isa and maintindihan namin kung anong mga experiences and mga needs po nila namin. And also, kailangan din namin take into consideration yung mga factors like family and yung mga pwedeng mangyari po in the future na makaka-apekto sa mga goals po namin in life together. Um, and also, yun po, dapat po we have to have each other's back and fight together.
Yeah, solve problems without fighting each other.
Yeah.
Yes. Totoo ang stress-free marriage. You have to believe in that. Dahil anything that you don't believe with, you will never make any effort to achieve it. Okay? Kaya kahit na naririnig ninyo, nababasa ninyo everywhere that marriage is a stressful status, no. Change your mindset by believing that you can reduce the stresses in your relationship. How? By believing in it first. Because the moment you believe in it, you can control and manage your reactions to every situation. Di ba? Makokontrol mo, no, no, no. I will not allow this stress to ruin our day, to ruin our relationship, to ruin the mood of my spouse. I will not let that get in between us. Gets nyo?
Opo.
So it all depends on how you will react. And that reaction will only work positively if you believe or hindi ka papayag na may stress kayo palagi sa isa't isa. Instead, treat your spouse as someone who can work in your favor. Treat your spouse as someone that you can benefit from. Okay? Para bang take advantage of it. Okay? Uh, take advantage of your spouse's presence in your life. Okay?
Okay.
So thank you so much for listening. Thank you for your attention. And we wish you the best. Okay? I don't usually say good luck. No, I don't believe in luck.
Good
Oo,
luck.
I don't believe in luck. Best regards. Yan. Di ba? Oh, kaya with the wisdom I shared with you, time tested, scientifically proven, I'm sure you will never go wrong in your marriage journey together. Okay?
Opo.
So I'll see you in the Philippines.
I'll see you in the
See you
Philippines
po.
po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Baka ako rin magkasal sa inyo.
Ay, wow. Sana po kayo nun.
Yes,
Kayo po.
yes. So ingat lagi ha.
Opo.
Send my best regards to your family.
And to you too.
And yes, and to both of you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Good night.
Good night.
Ay, good morning pala dyan sa inyo.